How to access Snapchat memories on PC. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to search for snapchat.com on your Google browser or any kind of browser you are currently using, and you have to go for the first link, and once you are here you have to click on login to chat. If you have already logged in, you will be redirected to the Snapchat. So once you are here, if I click on my profile, on the top left corner there is no option to see the memories of my Snapchat account. So right now there is no option officially available from the Snapchat that you can access the memories of your Snapchat account, but you can also use third-party apps like GameLoop or any kind of emulator and download the Snapchat on them, and then you will be access to your Snapchat memories. But officially there is no option right now available for your Snapchat memories. So that's how basically you can access Snapchat memories on PC.